Mole Mexicano Verde Estilo Pipian, also known as green Mexican mole Pipian style. Ingredients you will need are half an onion, 4 garlic pieces, a full cup of vegetable oil, a split cinnamon stick, 11 grams of Pipian seeds, 11 grams of sesame seeds, a pound of green tomato, 3 to 5 jalapenos depending on how spicy you'd like it to be, a bouquet of cilantro, chicken flavored bouillon, and last but not least, water. Start by preheating a pan with 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil for 5 minutes. Then add half an onion, 4 garlic pieces, half cut cinnamon stick, 11 grams of pipian seed, and 11 grams of sesame seed into the pan. Stir the ingredients until it's well fried for about 10 minutes on medium heat. Once done with that, rinse green tomatoes, desired amount of jalapenos, the bouquet of cilantro well. Next, you're going to add all the cleaned vegetables into the blender with the fried ingredients. You can add 6 cups of chicken broth or of water. Then you're gonna pour your mixture into the pot. Stir it around until it's fully mixed. Instead of salt, use 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And enjoy with red Mexican rice, chicken, and tortilla.